Hello, and welcome to another drawing tutorial. In the last tutorial, we learned how to draw a stickman. As you can see, you draw a stickman with the neck, like this. Now, we will be learning how to draw a gun for your stickman. Drawing a gun is pretty simple. It's just two stripes. As you can see, like this. That looks like a gun. Of course, you can place him in a different position where it looks like he will fire the gun. And there we go. These are the bullets that the gun is firing. To make it more realistic, we could add colors. For example, by combining the red color with the yellow color, it will look like he's firing from the gun. Now, bullets are usually not black, and if you are too lazy, you can of course paint them black, but if you want more realism, you can of course color them orange, for example. There we go. Now it looks like he's firing a gun, and it actually looks like bullets are coming out of the gun. Thank you everybody for watching this tutorial. See you guys next time.